Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making these delicious plantains. Karibuni nyote tupike pamoja. Here are our unpeeled bananas, which we will be preparing in a few seconds. Please stay tuned. We all have different techniques when it comes to peeling off our bananas. So for me, I always make sure I take the top and the bottom part first, then I make a line which will give me easy access to remove the skin, as you can see in this video. We are almost done peeling our bananas, then we will move on to the next process. So here are our plantains, which are ready to be chopped, and I already started cutting my plantains. So this is how I like to shape them. And here is a closer view of the plantains. I already placed my pan on medium heat, and right now I'm adding the oil, and I will wait for my oil to cook well. Then I will add in my plantains. As you can see right there, my plantains are already going in the oil, ready to be fried. Okay. While placing my plantains in the oil, I make sure that I separate them so they can cook fast and just look good, you know. Okay, so I think we're almost done, and as you can see, the plantains are frying. And to make sure they don't burn, I'm turning them over and over and over again. Wow, look at that. They are looking so beautiful, and I hope they taste the way they look. Here is our final result, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.